Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I mean, we definitely made a very impulsive move down. This actually may be going all the way back down to these lows before it actually does end up continuing back up. And if it does, that's okay because we're just going with the flow on sort of time frames anyways. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly, like I've been saying, I mean, we still technically don't have a break of structure. So this technically still could make a higher low and just keep on going up. If it does end up doing that, we definitely should be able to recognize that, especially on sort of time frames, and stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. As of right now, I am kind of expecting this to possibly make 5 waves down like that, but either scenario we will be ready for. Heading down to the daily time frame, this is all one trend down on the daily. The fact that we're closing below the 78% usually tells me that we eventually will break the low also. So I still don't really see any evidence that this trend is over. We do have some US dollar news coming out today, but it's only retail sales and unemployment, so I'm not really convinced that this is going to make a huge turn to the upside yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are pushing up a little bit right now, as you can see, but this is definitely still all lower lows, lower highs. Now, one thing I do notice is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves. We definitely do have 5 waves. And if you look even closer, the fifth wave has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves also. So it would make a lot of sense for me if this did go up and do something like this, and this would end up likely being a wave A of a crescent to this move down, and eventually it would make a wave B, and then back up for wave C. Now, for me personally, I'm not really going to be looking for longs until we get that breaker structure because I'd like to stay very safe with my trading. So if it goes up and makes a wave A, I'll just ignore it, and instead I'll be waiting to go long at the end of this wave B for the wave C, and then I'll get out of my long for the wave C and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely very impulsive up. I mean, with the news coming out, it could be a wave one, but I would always label something like this as an A or one. This move down is probably either a wave B or a wave two. Now, if this really is the end of a wave five on the higher time frames, then this would go up at the news probably and make a three, a four, and a five like this over the next day or so, probably making a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A like I showed on the 4 hour time frames. Now, for me personally, like I said, I'm not going to look for longs until we get that break of structure because just like this is a likely possibility, the fact that this could be an ABC is also a likely possibility. So this could go up today to a Fibonacci retracement level, make it a golfing move down and just keep on going down and end up being an ABC correction. That's why the trend is not over until the market tells you it's over, and the trend is not going to be over for me until we get that break of structure to the upside. So for me personally, still looking for shorts until we get that break. Otherwise, I will be waiting for the break, and then I'll be waiting for a pullback to go long if it does break. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.